Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I have another fantastic recipe, fry bake recipe for you, right? I'm doing coconut fry bake. Yes, I said it, coconut fry bake. Yeah, baby. So in my mixing bowl I already have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Here I have about 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. That grated coconut I was doing another recipe. So this is basically all of the coconut milk squeezed out from it. So this is just basically a dry grated coconut here. I have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm going to combine everything to make a dough. I'm going to use coconut milk. So let's get to mixing everything together. So I'm just going to quickly mix these ingredients together. I'm going to add the grated coconut. You know, sometimes when you make, like if you're making your coconut milk at home, you know, that grated coconut that that is left behind after you squeeze out all the milk, I mean, you don't really need to throw it away. I mean, you use it to make like coconut bake. I made some spinners and I added some of that grated coconut to it, you know, so you can be creative with it and don't throw it out, you know. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm using that grated coconut to make this coconut fry bake. I'm going to add the coconut oil. Now I'm going to add coconut milk. I'm using about 1/4 cup. I'm just going to add gradually in case I don't need all of this. So now I'm going to use my hands to finish adding the rest of the coconut milk. Okay, so here's my dough. After everything is fully incorporated, I'm going to sprinkle with a bit of dry flour, and then I'm going to cover this with a damp piece of paper towel. And after about 10-15 minutes, I'll come back and knead this dough again to get a nice smooth dough. So here's my dough. What I did was after 10 minutes, I kneaded the dough again, and then I covered it with the damp paper towel, and I let the dough set for more than 30 minutes. I was doing some other stuff, so it was basically more than 30 minutes I had this dough resting. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to separate it into small balls, and then I'm going to roll out each ball to prepare them to be fried. So I'll be back. I just wanted to show you, I kneaded the dough again before I began to separate it into small balls. You may be wondering why my oil is frothing up like that. I'm using coconut oil. I have some coconut oil and I'm frying it up with some regular oil.